And again, I'm gonna use Master Design, or what, any spray like this, yeah, you can find in Michael's. Okay, I'm gonna shake my bottle very well. And you're gonna go and just kind of on the top, not much, just a little bit. And the same with the edges here. I'm just gonna do the edges on my flower. And then you can go a little bit on the bottom. You can do that the bottom part later on, once you get it all set. There is your flower. And now with the sealer. You have to be very generous because it would absorb it right through it.